And yeah, so my loss on TNA is still going on. I'm a back holder officially, diamond hand. See what we're gonna go to do that. We might actually hedge it with Abdi, you know, soon. See how it goes. Good morning. This is Andrew. I'm gonna do a recap for today. Well, markets bounced back today, and we had a really good trading opportunity today. Really good. I think everyone had a really amazing day. So for me, the first trade was a 1 minute opening range breakup on Apple. But unfortunately, I got stopped out, and the rip happened, but I just didn't catch that. So market IWM, QQQ, and Aspire are all ripping higher right now after the big sell-off massacre that we had in the last couple of days. So now this is a day that Qs are bouncing back. Apple or TQQ are the ones that you can trade when the market is strong for technology. So I went long, 1 minute opening range breakup, popped up, scaled out a little bit. On the pullback, I added, and then it dropped below the VWAP, and I got to stop that. That was a little bit unfortunate, a little bit choppiness. And then after that, the rip happened, and as you see all the way up here. And I did trade TQQ on the same manner. Let me actually bring my chart on the other account, and I made some decent profit on that. So pretty much the same manner that I did on TQQ. So right at the open, I went long. I got stopped out with this pullback, but as soon as I saw it's holding the VWAP, I went long, heavy size, and I'm actually in there right now. So yeah, I still have 10,000 shares. It's not a bad idea actually to sell a little bit. Let me sell 2,000 shares here now. So yeah, that was the first rip, and I still have 8,000 shares of it. This one is gonna hold and see what's gonna happen. So I got this move from Qs. Again, scaled out a little bit, and the pullback again. I bought that, loaded up 15,000 shares, and going up here again. Now I might close this one like $15,000 over there. So here on this account, the only thing that I could catch was a short on Baba actually. So the Baba was gapping up. I don't know exactly what was the reason news for Baba. For a few minutes, 5-6 minutes, kind of messed up, and then suddenly a huge drop came in, and I just kind of chased it. Someone asked, why don't you, when the breakout happens, go in there? Because I usually take a big size, and the risk management becomes a little bit iffy for me. But in that case, I went there. There was a 130, 385 support on the daily level that I got out, and then I got back in again, and then got this drop here. So overall, in this account was not much, like 4,300 plus that loss that I had on Apple. So 3,600 here. Over there we might get end up like $10,000-15,000. So, and on the account size, TNA is bouncing back a little bit. SPXL is still in there, and see what's going to happen. And I sold some covered calls to collect the premium for next week. See what we're going to get. So that really solid day for me. The only trade that I did was Baba, and this is an example of a stock in play that even though market was reaping, you could short a really nice on Apple. Yeah, sorry, on Baba. So it's stocks in play. Brian, do you know why this one actually got popped up?
Yeah, all the Chinese stocks were up today. Baba, JD, Billy, Baidu. They were all up on news that I think the Chinese government was actually lowering interest rates and doing some other stuff to stimulate economic activity. So kind of going the other way. Yeah, thanks, Chris.
Awesome, thank you. Yeah, so that was my trade really. Well, how was yours, Brian? Can you give us a little bit of insight?
Good. I basically had two good trades. I had JD, which broke out at the open, and added back on the pullback. When it popped up, pulled back to the VWAP, added back again, sold when it bounced off there, and then joined you on that short with Baba. And that was really my two good trades of the day.
Nice, yeah. Well, there were so many good opportunities. Like the trade that we did short, Thor. If you can do a recap, exactly. So Thor did a presentation on volume price analysis. Do you know where was his entry? His entry was here. That's amazing that his entry was here. Let me see if I can actually show his. I think he shared his trade. somewhere. Oh yeah, it's here. Let me see if I can bring it here. Yeah, sorry about this. Yeah, there you go. So that's his Thor's trade, as you see. So he just went at 136 and then he got the drop before. It's because based on his trading based on volume price analysis. So yeah, he has a presentation that you can actually watch on the on Education Center. And if you can do a recap, that would be nice to see what he saw that we didn't. So that was really nice. Apple obviously was really nice. I mean, we called it here at around 168, so for the breakout. So that was another really good trading opportunity. I know Jared and Kyle traded SoFi. SoFi was really, really interesting. Beautiful move up. That was also another trade that many people in the chat room got. It turned out to be a really nice trading day. So Brian, anything from you?
No, that's it. Like I said, it was two good, clean trades, and that's all you need. I hope everyone had a good day as well. JD is breaking out here again, by the way.
Yeah, the Chinese company. Oof.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did have this huge drop, and then now JD is coming back up. A lot of stocks like Nvidia and AMD, they ripped through VWAP as well. Really solid day, really good volatility, it's just excellent. And yeah, so my loss on TNA is still going on. I'm a back holder officially, diamond hand. See what we're gonna go to do that. We might actually hedge it with Ardi, soon. See how it goes. Just looking for a little bit of a consolidation before we start actually hedging it. All right, thank you so much, guys. And tonight, well, the mentorship session, guys, at 11 in 20 minutes in the webinar room, and we have Thor mentorship presentation tonight, and Ed Martin presentation at the close as well, so 4:30. So yeah, make sure that you benefit from all of these stuff. So see you guys all tomorrow morning, if not in the mentorship session. Bye, Brian.
Cheers.